Hey YouTube, Doug here from Besse Custom Fab. Working on some stair stringers today. I'll show you what I did. Stick around. Well, that's one of two. First thing I do when I do stair stringers is, or handrails or anything like that, because I'm scared of fucking it up, I do a layout on the floor. It's kind of hard to see, but you'll see my ground line. And I lay out all my treads. Everything's all laid out on the floor. Along there too. See that yellow? I use my yellow paint marker on the floor. That way it doesn't wear off if I walk over it. I lay out all the treads as well. These are 2.5 inch thick treads. And then just makes it really easy to confirm if I've actually done it right, as long as I've got my layout correct. So I have my full height here and my full length here. It's just, it makes my life easier and I can confirm it, and then I know I didn't make a huge mistake. I've never done that before. Now with these ones, I wanted to make everything really slick and not see a bunch of bolts sticking out and everything else. So I'll show you the bottom first. The bottom, we're going to put an anchor into the concrete. There's the hole. But you'll see that I've got a hole in the tread plate, and obviously a hole in there, big enough to get a nut and a socket through there. So essentially I can just have the anchor stick it into the concrete, drop the stringer on top of it, and bolt it down. On the top side, similar idea, but we're bolting it through the wood of a deck. This is for a deck. So on the top, I've got 2 holes with nuts welded on the backside. I know it's hard to see, but there's nuts welded in the backside there. So you can just bolt it from the backside of the deck right through. No exposed bolts. This one, once the actual tread is on there, you won't really see this hole. You'll maybe see that one if you're looking, but just a couple of quick things. I like to make it look really clean, and obviously these are not welded yet. Fabrication is done. I'm ready to weld them up today, and on to handrails. So maybe we'll do a quick video on that handrail too. Who knows? Anyway, like my video, subscribe. Besse Custom Fab. Rock and roll.